Hello, viewer, and thanks for joining me. Today I have a top 5 list. This is 5 songs to consider for your ringtone. Why consider a song for your ringtone, you ask? Well, unless you're a director or a Major League Baseball player, we don't really have walk up music or get to furnish soundtracks for our lives. So the ringtone is kind of the only chance that we get. Now, these aren't the best songs, but hopefully they're at least interesting songs or fun songs. I mean, unless you're Martin Scorsese, we're not going to be rolling with the Rolling Stones' Gimme Shelter. I'm also not going to go as far as including Wham. You could make the argument, I'm just not going to do that. So, in some particular order, here are the 5 songs I selected. Number 5. Bittersweet Symphony by The Verb. And this one actually has a Rolling Stones tie-in because that introduction was actually sampled from a Stones song and it got the band into some legal trouble. So I don't think they really got to profit much from the song. And number 4 was the intro to Who Can It Be Now? You could go a little less subtle and use the actual lyrics, but I think that saxophone is so familiar that most people are going to recognize the song and maybe get a chuckle when they hear that blasting when you're getting a call. What's the Frequency, Kenneth is the shortest clip on the list and arguably one of the most famous. You know, probably 2 chords into it. If you've ever heard this song before, you know this is REM rocking it. So that would be pretty fun. Here's another one on our list that we could have actually used the lyrics Don't You Forget About Me by Simple Minds. Certainly iconic, will hearken many people back to The Breakfast Club. But I thought, again, the instrumental and the little vocals are so memorable that people are going to know this song. And actually, I had this one in my number 1 spot until I found the video for this next song. And I think after seeing it, you'll understand why I had to change. Jay Ferguson, Jay the name, not Jay the letter, Thunder Island. Maybe the oldest song on this list, but I think its intro is, again, just kind of fun. So if you heard it, and now that you've seen the video, I might want to go meet that person. Well, I hope you enjoyed this fairly short list of top 5 ringtone songs. I hope that if you don't already, that you consider doing a little editing and grabbing part of some song. It just makes life a little more fun with your own soundtrack. Take care, and until next time.